Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride, empowering you to succeed financially.
Today I'm with Michael Uadiale of Smeed CPA, a good friend and an expert as a CPA. Michael, how does a person find the best tax professional?
Great question. I think finding a good tax professional must be tied to your situation. Okay? There are clients based on what you do that may, for example, not be a great fit for our practice. Okay? And I say to every person, you want to try to make sure your tax professional is very knowledgeable in your area of business or investment. There is no one guide that you need to go to find a good tax professional. I definitely have my bias as a CPA by saying you want to make sure your tax professional is a CPA at a minimum. Okay? And when you find one, take the time to check the person's state where he or she is licensed and just see if there are any disciplinary records against that person's license, because it's a licensed profession. And so you want to check and find out if there is anything like that. Assuming there is nothing like that, I talked earlier today about some of the things you must ask. Your CPA should be consultative. Your CPA must learn to ask questions. He or she must show that confidence on how they handle an internal revenue service audit. There must be certainty, clarity, and confidence. Find a CPA that knows the tax code. We live in a world of technology, and so I notice, even as somebody who is privileged to train younger CPAs, too many times people rely on the tax software to do their job. The tax software is exactly what it is. It is a software, and it's designed to, the algorithms of a software is designed to handle only so many numbers of permutation. But I tell you, there are many times where you will find a taxpayer situation is not something you should commit to the hands of the software. If the tax preparer or the CPA does not know the tax code, the software will spit out a result that ordinarily that person should have gone into the software and override. So it's important that the level of effort that we put into finding, for example, a good doctor, a dentist, or other services that you and I care for, that should be put in looking for a good tax advisor to provide you the services on taxes.
Michael, thank you for answering our listener questions and being here today.
There are more investing secrets that are quite powerful for you to build your wealth. If you'd like a VIP introduction to any one of our experts, click on the link below. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single tip from any of our seasoned experts. Okay, watch the next video so you can capture our next secrets to investing. If you're ready, it's time for you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult your own financial team for your investment decisions.